Something new about the Nima Manzo Mutui, something new about the indicators cola, and the level tissue indicators. Indicators are indicators ki type Kajoyore, and indicators the one to get any bet you can stumble you may. Now what is tolerate the Nima, Shui. Indicators are substances that change color when they come in contact with acids or base. Acids down base nyamdola and korangi indicators tigi nyamdola acid the base nyamdola contact chungota china indicators down acid the base nyamdola contact chungota china any konjo kachils na color change is. Or the color change hingi substance we call it as a indicator. Indicators are those substances which change color when they come in contact with acids or base. And those say substance which change color to indicate that the substance is either acid or base. Konzo color indicators the konzo color change in they indicate. Konzo indicate the range the word. Shema konzo gets in your barba. Medus and a konzo kachus color change. Oh, the color more reduced, Chesaho, acid in the base in the color more reduced, acid in the base in the rare slunny, color change in the range the word. Chesa, oh, the dig color change in the landing substance in the chilla, we call it as indicators. The indicator the indicator the natural indicator artificial indicator or synthetic indicator. Synthetic indicator natural indicator indicator the indicator indicator natural indicator synthetic indicator. Now, what is natural indicator? Natural indicators are those indicators which are prepared from natural resources, such as red cabbage, such as turmeric, such as lichens, or the indigenous extract indicators natural indicators. And then if indicators are made or prepared in a laboratory, chemistry laboratory, those indicators are considered as a synthetic or man-made or artificial indicator. Indicator the natural indicator litmus the culture khane rarsana lichens around it. Turmeric, okay, these are natural indicators. Natural indicators are litmus, turmeric, red cabbage, China rose, say onion, vanilla. Okay, these are say natural indicators. Litmus, turmeric, red cabbage, China rose, onion, vanilla. These are natural indicators. And then there are synthetic indicators. synthetic indicators like methyl orange, phenolphthalein, so these are synthetic indicators. Synthetic indicators are methyl orange, phenolphthalein, universal indicator, what it is. Okay, natural indicators like litmus, turmeric, red cabbage, China rose, onion, vanilla, all these are indicators. And natural indicators are indicators which are not man-made. Synthetic indicators are those indicators which are man-made or prepared in a laboratory. Okay, so in this manner, indicators are of two types. Now, how we make use of this indicator? Which types of indicator change? Which types of change into which types of color with acids or base? What the color wants to change? Tanda digedi and chitang indicators check. Indicators khali imba and indicators digeki type khali imba. What the game want to system check? Yeah. Anyway, the indicator also why we have to depend on indicators. As usually we say that acids they test sour and base they test say bitter. Manzuki base tenzo kati yodes, acid tenzo and cumulus manzuki hakuwa. They use the indicators catching vegetables and theodiliva. Indicators again never vegetables. Carcins na acids and base are highly corrosive. Acid the base like the best chemical strong chair and harmful way. Chesa manzula carchusna acid the base tendula, lapochayata, and toataya the namiche. Chesa that toataya mena, lapochaya mevda china anzu condition in indicators. Condition anzu acid the base hakuguvelna with the help of indicators. With the help of indicators, we can identify a substance contains acids or substance contains base. All those. The indicator identify with this table. That's understanding. Okay, let's write down indicators here and then its original color and then with acid, change with acid and change with base. All condition ones. Red litmus. Original color दिखा litmus दिखे under the red check. Generally, litmus, the color of litmus is purple, but we prepare it as a red litmus and blue litmus. So the color say red or say blue, or this red. Red litmus in acid will change in color. Red litmus in base changes to blue. Blue litmus. Blue litmus. Blue. Here changes to red. no change. Here no change means no change in color. Okay. Turmeric, as you know, in our kitchen, the color of turmeric powder is yellow. So the original color is yellow. But this yellow, when it come in contact with acid, no change in color. No change in color. But when this yellow turmeric powder comes in contact with base it changes to reddish. Reddish brown. Okay, then red cabbage, original color is purple, but with acid red cabbage will gets converted into reddish, and with base it gets converted into greenish yellow. So red cabbage, its original color is purple, but with acid it gets converted into reddish, and then here with base it gets converted into greenish yellow. And then onion. So onion, you don't have to here. Smell. We are checking this onion on the basis of its smell. It indicates us by giving smell or not giving smell. So this onion and vanilla are considered as a olfactory indicator. Smell here with acid. With base, smell vanishes, smell disappears. No smell. Okay, so here, this is the table here. Yeah, out of this table we can understand that which kinds of indicators can change color. Color condition change. And here these two onion and vanilla. Onion and vanilla are say indicators which are considered as an olfactory indicator. Olfactory indicator. Olfactory indicator. Onion and vanilla. Okay, these are called as an olfactory indicator because they indicate the presence of acids or base by giving their smell or by not giving their smell. So that's why out of smell we are able to understand whether the substance contains acids or whether the substance contains base. So these types of indicators are called as olfactory indicators, and these olfactory indicators also belongs to natural indicator. Natural indicator belong to this. Yeah, the red litmus ina korange. Actually, this litmus, their colors are purple. Actual color of the litmus is purple. Actual color of the litmus is purple. But then we convert this purple color to red and blue by say in when we prepare those litmus in our lab, we change their color into red and blue. So red litmus, or you can say in the form of solution also you can get this red litmus solution or red litmus paper. Similarly, red litmus, blue litmus paper and blue litmus solution. So this litmus, say red litmus, when it come in contact with acid, the color remains red. Color remains red. So no change in color. Its original color is red. So no change in color. But this red litmus, when it comes in contact with base, it gets converted into blue. Red changes to blue. When red color of the litmus changes to blue, the substance is acid. Substance contains acid or the acid areas. Similarly, in terms of blue, blue litmus, its color is blue. With acid, it changes to red, but with base, there is no change in color. Color changing. Turmeric powder, you have learned these things in one of the activity in class 7 also. Okay, yellow. The actual color of the turmeric powder is yellow. So this yellow color, when it comes in contact with acid, it remains as yellow. So there is no change in color. But with base, it changes to reddish brown. It changes to reddish brown. Red cabbage, actual color of the red cabbage prepared is purple. But when it comes in contact with acid, it changes to reddish, kind of a red. Okay. Then when it comes in contact with base, it changes to greenish yellow. Greenish yellow. Regarding this onion and vanilla, they are olfactory indicators. They smells onion or smell of the vanilla, they gives it when they come in contact with acid. But when they come in contact with base, the smell vanishes completely. It does not smell. So from there we can understand that these kinds of substance contains base. Okay. Then here methyl orange and phenolphthalein, these are synthetic indicators. Synthetic indicators. And here these synthetic indicators, methyl orange, its actual color is orange, but with acid it changes to red, and with base it changes to yellow. So it indicates a lot. And then phenolphthalein, it is usually colorless. We can say colorless, say like water. Water is colorless. So like that. When phenolphthalein come in contact with acid, it remains as it is, no change in color, no change. But when this phenolphthalein come in contact with base, it gets converted into pink. So this is how the indicators, they indicate us by giving by changing their color, or by giving smell, or by not giving smell. So this is all about indicators. So these are how we use indicators. So with this, I'm going to keep second period over here.